Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this colorful smushy and nail stamp design. So I'm using gray by Kiss called Eye Contact, red by Wet n Wild, doesn't have a name, it's just red, white by Sinful Colors called Snowy White, and black by Sinful Colors called Black on Black. So I cut a piece of my sandwich bag. I usually do this because once I'm done, I just throw it away and call it a day. If you want, you can use the whole sandwich bag. It's up to you. And I'm gonna paint the base coat white and then add dots of the different colors. Make sure to apply a base coat because it's much easier to smush the colors together. Then I'm gonna use a smaller nail stamper to blend the colors together, and then I use a larger one so I'm able to pick up most of the design and I get more access to the colors. So if I want to, just apply one smushy, I can do that. But as I'm going to show you, I do it a couple of times to make sure I get like the design I like. Then using my Cici and Sisi 21 nail plate, I'm going to apply silver polish onto this nail design. I just thought it looked perfect. I wanted to add something different and do something different than my regular black or white stamp design. So adding that silver just made the look kind of cool. I liked how it came out. I loved how this whole look turned out. And once I was done, I removed the liquid latex and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and simple for you guys to recreate if you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.